The average American spends 40 years working and still retires with almost nothing. Not because they were lazy, not because they weren't smart, but because nobody ever taught them these habits. The people quietly building $100,000, $200,000, even more. They're not doing anything glamorous. In fact, their habits are almost embarrassingly boring. But boring is exactly what makes you rich. Here's the truth nobody wants to admit. We've been sold a lie. We think building wealth looks like crypto moonshots, day trading, side hustles that go viral overnight. But statistically, that path leads to losing money. A study by DALBAR found the average investor earns less than 4% annually, while the market returns over 10%. You know why? Because they chase exciting. Meanwhile, the boring guy next door, he's been doing the same 10 habits on repeat for years, and his net worth just crossed 6 figures. You might be 1 or 2 habits away from a completely different financial life. The problem is, no one made these habits look worth doing. Until now. Stay with me here, because this is where it gets real. Every month you don't have these habits, you're not just standing still. You're falling behind. Inflation eats your savings at 3–4% a year. Your friends are quietly investing while you're waiting to get started. Compound interest doesn't care about your excuses. It only rewards people who start. Here's a number that should wake you up. If you invest just $300 a month starting at age 25, by age 55, you'd have over $450,000. Wait until 35, you'd have less than half that. Time is the most expensive thing you'll ever waste. So let's fix this right now. Here are the 10 unsexy habits that actually build real money. Habit 1: pay yourself first. Most people pay their bills first. Then they save whatever's left. Spoiler alert, nothing is ever left. Flip the script. The moment your paycheck hits, move money to savings immediately. Even $50, even $25. You will survive on the rest, trust me. This one habit alone can build your first $10,000 faster than you think. Habit 2: automate everything. Willpower runs out, automation doesn't. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Automatic contributions to your retirement account. Most people don't know this. The one reason people don't save is they have to decide to do it every month. Remove the decision, remove the failure. Set it once, watch it grow. Habit 3: track every dollar. Not because you need to be obsessive, but because what you don't track disappears. Studies show people underestimate their spending by up to 40%. That missing 40% could be your investment money. Use a free app, use a notebook. I don't care which. Just know where your money goes. Habit 4: invest in index funds. Here's where it gets interesting. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need a financial advisor charging you 1% a year. An index fund is basically a basket that holds hundreds of companies at once. When the market goes up, you go up. Most people don't know this. Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time, told regular people to just buy index funds. Not Tesla, not crypto. Index funds. Boring, effective, wealthy. Look up funds like VOO or VTI to start. Habit 5: use a 401k or Roth IRA. These sound complicated, they're not. A 401k is a retirement account through your job. Your employer often matches what you put in. That's free money, free money. If you're not using it, you're leaving free money on the table. A Roth IRA is a personal retirement account you open yourself. You invest after-tax dollars, and your money grows tax-free asterisk forever. Max out your 401k match first. Then open a Roth IRA. That combo alone can build serious wealth over time. Habit 6. Live below your means. This one sounds obvious, but almost nobody actually does it. Lifestyle inflation is the silent wealth killer. You get a raise, and suddenly you need a nicer car. You get a bonus, and suddenly the vacation gets more expensive. Rich people drive normal cars. They live in reasonable houses. They don't look rich because they're too busy becoming rich. The gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap is your future. Habit 7. Build an emergency fund first. Most people skip this, and then one car repair wipes out their entire investment account. Before you invest aggressively, build 3-6 months of living expenses in a savings account. Keep it boring, keep it liquid. A high-yield savings account earns 4-5% right now. Your money sits safe and still grows. Emergency fund equals financial stability. Without it, every unexpected bill is a crisis. Habit 8. Say no more than you say yes. Your friends want to go out every weekend, every dinner, every concert, every trip. And you want to be there, I get it. But here's the math no one talks about. $150 a weekend eating and going out. That's $7,800 a year. Invested in an index fund for 20 years. Over $50,000. You're not saying no to the dinner. You're saying yes to $50,000. Most people don't know this until it's too late. Habit 9. Keep learning about money. This right here is the habit that multiplies all the others. The more you learn, the better your decisions. One book, one podcast, one YouTube channel. That's all it takes to change how you think about money. And when you think differently, you act differently. And when you act differently, the results are completely different. Rich people read about money constantly. The average American watches 4 hours of TV a day. Swap 1 hour of TV for 1 hour of financial education. Your future self will be unrecognizable. Habit 10. Be patient and stay consistent. This is the unsexy habit everyone underestimates. Building $100,000 won't happen in a month. It probably won't happen in a year. But in 5 years, 10 years, the person who stayed consistent, no matter what, beats the person who tried to get rich quick every single time. The stock market crashes, you stay. Life gets hard, you stay. Your friends think you're boring, you stay. Consistency is the secret weapon that almost no one uses. Because it requires something rare in 2024. Patience. And patience pays. Summary. Let's bring it all together. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. Habit 2. Automate everything. Habit 3. Track every dollar. Habit 4. Invest in index funds. Habit 5. Use a 401k or Roth IRA. Habit 6. Live below your means. Habit 7. Build your emergency fund. Habit 8. Say no more than you say yes. Habit 9. Never stop learning. Habit 10. Be patient. Stay consistent. None of these are exciting. But together, they're worth $100,000. And for the right person watching this, way more. If this video helped you, smash that subscribe button. Every week I reveal money secrets that your school never taught you. See you next day.